In this video, I'm going to show you how to check SSD write and read speed in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you'll be able to check the speed of your SSD, how fast it is when you are using your system. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the easiest way you can use to check your laptop SSD write and read speed or your Windows computer is to press the Escape, Shift and Control button together at the same time to open the task manager. That is using the Escape, Shift and Control, or better still, come to the taskbar, right click and tap Task Manager. So once you click on that, this is going to open your Windows Task Manager just like this. Then come here and click on Performance. Once you hit the Performance, then show how fast to the CPU, the memory, then the disk. So go ahead and select the disk. Once you selected the disk, then come down to see Active Time After Response here, and then you should see the read speed, then the write speed. The read and write speed depends on the usage of your computer, but here you have access to the read and write speed on your SSD. Then you see the media type is SSD, and at the moment this is the write speed and this is the read speed. So this is how you can easily see SSD write and read speed in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.